Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a translation memory from a translation that you have already translated using Microsoft Word. For this particular task we're going to download two files from your e-learning. You have to go to translation memory section in your e-learning. You'll be able to see two links here where you have to download both of them. We have Arabic and English, which are two files, a source and a target text files. This is the English source, and this is the target Arabic text. So first step, you have to download both files, and then you go to your mem source, and then you have to hit on create and then select translation memory. You have to pick a name for your translation memory. I'm gonna name it as contract as usual, and I'm gonna select English as my source language and Arabic as my target language. Make sure that you select the source language as English and the target language as Arabic with no locales, and then create. As I mentioned earlier in previous classes, to be able to create a translation memory, you have to create an aligned file where you basically align a source with a target. So to do this kind of thing, you have to click on align, then one source and one target. You have to select the original file, which is the English file. Okay, I have it here as EN, and then the translation, we have it in Arabic. So you select the Arabic translation. After that, you hit on align. After the process is complete, you get a file in the downloads where you have it in Excel format. If you open the file, you would be able to see the source and the target aligned to each other. So this is the first segment, and this is translation of the first segment, the second segment, and its translation, and so on. After that, you have to save this file somewhere, and maybe you can save it on the desktop. I'm going to save it on the desktop as contract _2, and save, and then exit. So as you know, we created an empty translation memory. The first step was to align the source with the target. After you save as the file, which is the Excel file on the desktop, you have to import the file into the translation memory. So to do so, you have to click on import, and then you select the file, you go to desktop, and then you do contract _2, you select it, and then you hit on import. You can see that the number of segments is 4 now. We have 4 English segments and 4 Arabic segments, as you can see. If you want to search any word or any even segment or phrase in the translation memory, you have to type it here, or you can copy from a file and paste it here. For example, I'm going to search for this in the translation memory. So copy and paste here, and make sure that I select the right language. I have it in English here, and then I hit search. It would give me that you have this segment translated as this in the translation memory, and the match is 100% and 1, which is exact match or full match. That's all. Well, the importance of creating a translation memory stems from the fact that it helps translators reuse previous translations. It also saves their time when it comes to searching previous translations. Imagine that you have like a bigger file and you wanted to search for this segment in a Word document file. You have to open the file and then search for this particular segment, and then open the target translation that has been previously created and find the translation of this segment, and then you copy and paste. Whereas the translation memory allows you just to search any segment, whether in Arabic or in English. It helps you search the translation memory, and it shows you whether the match is found or not, and it also gives you the percentage of the match. Okay guys, that's all for today. So I wanted to show you how to create an empty term base, how to align a source with a target, how to import the aligned file that is in Excel format into your translation memory. Thank you.